Hi, and welcome. If you're an architect or a developer, you've probably experienced the frustration of bloated documentation or the stress of working with no structure at all. Maybe you've tried using heavyweight frameworks that sound great in theory but don't hold up in real-world delivery, or maybe you've been improvising based on personal experience. Either way, the result is often the same: misaligned teams, unclear decisions, and time wasted on things that don't really matter. But what if there were a better way? This is a one-page visual framework that replaces long, complex documents with simplicity, speed, and focus. Whether you're coordinating across departments or managing a complex integration, the canvas helps teams stay aligned and understand the architecture clearly. Architecture work is often too abstract, too ad hoc, or just not actionable. Stakeholders don't understand the outputs. Developers don't see the value. Teams chase after vague goals with no structure to guide them. It creates confusion and slows down delivery. The architecture work canvas is built to solve exactly these problems. It's fast, it's visual, it's built for real-world delivery, not theory. It helps you focus on what matters most: alignment, clarity, and action. This canvas is also part of a larger method called QTAM, the Quick Technical Architecture Method. There's a 2-hour Udemy course that walks you through the full approach, with templates and quizzes included. Now let's look at a real example from XYZ Corporation. Their teams were stuck trying to align on authentication standards across partnerships. The CTO wanted one thing, the product team wanted another, security had its own concerns, and nothing was getting done. Then they tried the architecture work canvas. In a single working session, they used the canvas to visualize the problem. Everyone could see what mattered, understand each other's concerns, and agree on the way forward. No need for week-long workshops or dozens of documents, just clarity. This is just the beginning. In the rest of this series, we're going to walk through the canvas column by column. Each part maps directly to a stage in the QTAM method. Each one builds on the last to help you move from vague intent to technical delivery without getting lost in complexity. If you want to get started right away, head over to the link below in description. There you can download the free architecture work canvas and enroll in the Quick Technical Architecture Method course on Udemy. The course is just 2 hours long, but it can change the way your team works with architecture. Thanks for joining me. In the next part, we'll dive into the vision column and explore how it helps teams align before a single line of code is written. See you there.